On November 11, 2025, Austin police responded to an airport theft involving $1,130 in merchandise. The suspect's defense challenges the intent element of theft. Texas Penal Code Section 31.03 requires unlawful appropriation with intent to deprive the owner. Intent is the disputed issue here.
Hi, what's going on? I'm going back to my store, but she just walked out the store. He's going to let her pay for it, but she literally stole both of those bags from him while he was helping another customer. I was just coming into work, and he told me about it, so I said, I'll help you look, because he's going to lose his job. That's over $1,000 worth of bags. Okay. Now she said she's going to pay for it, because she thought she could just walk out and they would charge her fine. I'm sorry. I'm going to go back to my stairs. I'm sure it's not I need to come down to her.
I will go talk to him later.
Thank you.
You're in that
I can show you on camera right now if you want.
Officers reviewed the surveillance footage and observed the suspect enter the store and select a piece of luggage along with a small backpack. The footage showed the suspect exiting the store and passing the last point of sale without rendering payment for the items.
Yeah, so that roller is like $700 something bucks, and the backpack itself is like $450 something bucks. She was trying to say that she thought this was one of, like, you know how like Amazon has stores where you can like grab stuff and walk out and it charges it to your account. She's saying it was like that, but like the video that she just got, you can tell she walks up, grabs it, she steps over here like looking, and she's looking, and then she walks and hides right there for a second, and then she just walks out back.
I was trying to walk out. I mean, I was sitting on my timber.
Okay. I'll wait for him because I know he's getting the same video that you got.
Yeah.
So.
And he was busy. That's why I walked. There's places that you walk in and out, and I thought it was a scan as you walk out. I wasn't trying to leave without it. I said on my gate, I'm not trying to do anything. I'm willing to pay for it. And I apologized to him. He said he could lose his job, and I feel really bad. I really do. And I did not switch tags. I have my bag over there. I didn't do anything to misguide. Look, I was just sitting on my gate.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
I just came from work, honestly, and I'm going on a trip on Friday, so I needed a bag. I saw it. It was busy, and I thought it was like a thing that you can. I mean, most stores in any other airport. I travel a lot. You can walk in and out, and they scan as you walk out.
Okay.
In Minnesota, they're doing it like all over, and it's my bad. I didn't even look. I need it for the weekend. That's what I'm like. Was trying to buy it.
Okay. Well, give me just a second. Let me talk to him,
absolutely.
and then we'll figure out.
Yeah, I
if you wanna
feel
go back home.
really bad. I really do feel bad.
Have we got her information yet?
Yeah, I got her ID. So she's out of Minnesota.
Yes. So what I was saying is that in Minnesota, I'm so sorry.
I'm not interested in the story. Where are the tags at? To the
So I went to the bathroom. I used the bathroom, and I needed this for the weekend.
Where are the tags?
Bathroom. And I went back.
Can you go get the tags?
Yes, and they're not there.
Okay.
It's all the bathroom factory.
Okay. All right.
I did look.
The possibility is that if he does purchase it, he's fine with it.
So there's that. Okay.
That is an option. But if you can't,
swear to God. Sorry.
but if you can't find the proper tags for that, then
Can they run the other ones that are like the same? I mean, there's like I looked at the colors.
it'll be up to him. It'll be up to him if he can do. I don't know if they can do that or not.
Okay. Because there is other. I mean, I looked at the colors. I was trying. I looked at the colors and I said I like burgundy, and that's.
But I don't know what that does to their inventory. So if he brings up a black one, it might reduce their inventory by one.
Okay.
So you taking that one and the tag's not being with it anymore now, it's causing a problem with their inventory. So he's going to see what he can do to try to fix that. If not, then he's not going to.
So you went back to look at. When did you go back to look for the tags?
Just now, she let me go.
Oh.
Just now, and I left my bag here. And I said, I mean, I went to the bathroom from here to the bathroom and then to the gate. Actually, I went to the lounge and then to the gate. So they cleaned out the bathroom.
Okay.
Can I tell my gate that I'm late, or am I gonna miss my flight? You think?
Just get. I mean, normally, if it's a 2:10,
Well, that we
forwarding.
have 250. Yeah, 250.
Right.
I have time. I think I have it.
I mean, it just depends on where's your gate at. Which gate would?
Right here, like 10.
She's out of state, so we can't give her a citation.
I mean, I swear, I promise.
Oh yeah.
So that's,
He said that's not even the airport price. He says they're normally that expensive, which
Yeah,
I've
they
never
are.
seen.
They are. I mean, I'm buying it because I'm going on a trip with my family, and it's my 50th birthday.
Where's your family at? Are they here?
In Minnesota.
Oh,
I
they're-
came for work,
Okay.
so I was buying it to go on a trip to Mexico and Minnesota.
I can't find the tags, but I can't bring it up.
Okay.
Can you run another color?
No, the
What's up, my sister?
right. It's gonna mess up. His
I mean, I could have just not come back and took my bag and leave, but I'm not trying to do that. I just no. Like when you let me go to the bathroom, I could have just leave. I'm not trying to do anything stupid. I promise.
Okay.
I came for work.
On his end, he has to do something with his inventory
Yeah.
that he, without having the tags,
Yeah.
there's nothing he can do.
Yeah.
So, in that case,
I have these.
that option's off the
And
table.
then I also have
Like, can I
these
just
that
buy
are just
another
plug-in, but
color?
they're
I mean, it's
also-
the same exact thing. So what is the?
you're under arrest.
Oh. So can I just pay for it? I swear
He
to God.
can't mess up his system. He doesn't have another wine backpack back there, so there's no other choice. We can't even cite because you're not from here, and it's Class A misdemeanor, so you're gonna have to go to jail.
Can I just buy a black one
He
instead?
can't mess up his inventory, like I said. I mean,
Can I call the company? I mean, can I? I mean, it's not the same code. It's in the same.
different numbers, different items, and they have different.
so do you have anybody on the
Can
line
we
with
look-
Delta right now?
Yeah, I have somebody online. Can we look in the bathroom or maybe with the lady that
I thought
cleaned the
you already-
bathrooms?
Well, I mean,
Can I go do that? Can we go do that?
there's going to be virtually impossible to track down which person cleaned out.
There is like right here. I promise. I swear.
But
to
you
God,
said you already looked.
I looked in the bathroom that I thought it was, but there was other bathrooms that were closed. We looked really quick.
I apologize. Like, you've already looked. You said that
There was one bathroom that hello? Yeah, so basically.
So she ripped the tags. The whole problem is because they were going to let her pay for it, but she ripped the tags off in the bathroom. They had to track her down at Delta. By the time they got her back here, they let her go look at the bathroom for the tags. He doesn't have another tag for the maroon one, so he can't scan a black one and sell it because it's going to mess up his inventory. So there's not much he can do. So, and you do want to press charges now, correct? Okay. All right.
Okay.
So it's unfortunate, but that's what it is. So,
So can I call them and then can I buy the black one? Can I go to the bathroom again one more time?
No.
I'm so sorry. I swear this is like a total
Yeah,
misunderstanding.
we tried on our end as much as we
I
could.
am so sorry.
We have to wrap this up.
Terrible.
We have we got some place to go.
I know.
yeah,
So-
so
Okay.
you're gonna have to, if you want to go put your credit card out, first
Can I grab my bag over there?
I'll grab your bag.
So can you put me on the 650? Can I leave? Like after you check me in, can I leave
So
today?
you're going to jail, and then you
And
have to talk
I-
to a magistrate, and you probably won't be out until tomorrow or the next day.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to Mexico on the 14th. Can we please work this out? Please.
Ma'am, there's
I'm
nothing
going
we
to
can
Mexico
do.
on the 14th
Ma'am.
for my mom's birthday.
Look,
Okay, I understand.
you left without paying for it.
I swear to
I get
God.
it. Whatever the discrepancy is, but I need you to go ahead. I'm giving you just. There we go.
I don't
So
even
go-
know.
okay.
It doesn't even
Go,
matter.
you want to take your satchel off? I'll put that
Can I
on.
just buy the black one? Can we look in the bathroom one more time,
No.
please?
Okay.
Please.
Go and take your satchel off, and go ahead and take your fanny pack off. I've still got your ID.
Can we please look in the bathroom one
And
more
there's no
time?
dog
Maybe
in
the
there,
lady's there, garbage is there.
Okay.
Can I dig into
We
the
already
garbage
passed
in
it.
there?
You've already said you
No, I
looked
want
for
to,
it.
but I didn't look into the other garbage. Can I please?
Okay.
Oh, take that
Go
off.
and take the satchel
Please,
off.
please.
You're under arrest right
You
now.
can leave this.
James, mind your
No. Are you here with someone?
No, I'm by myself. I came
Okay.
for work.
Okay.
I just came to drop off a dog for a sick woman. That's what I do. That's literally what I do. Can you go to the bathroom with me, please?
We definitely can't
Please.
walk inside a woman's bathroom.
What? Say that again.
We can't walk inside of a women's bathroom.
No, I will go in.
We
No.
can't do that.
I did not mean to do that. I swear to God. This is
We
horrible.
unfortunately, if we had the tags, we might be able to go a different route.
I wish I wouldn't take him out. I didn't want to walk around with
I
a
wish you didn't
tag.
take the. I wish you didn't take the suitcase from the beginning.
I know I should have asked. He was busy.
No,
I
you should have
walked
bought
out.
it instead of asking. You should have just bought it.
I swear that there are so many stores in Minnesota. You walk out and they charge you.
I've been to those stores,
automatically.
but you also have to use your card to go inside the store.
Some of them, not all of them. No, I promise. I
Okay.
promise.
The suspect claims she believed the store operated like Amazon Go with automatic checkout. This invokes the mistake of fact defense. Under Texas Penal Code 8.02, mistake of fact is valid only if the belief was reasonable and negated criminal intent. Amazon Go stores require entry authentication via QR code or card scan. This store had none, no entry gate, no verification system. Most critically, she removed price tags from both items. Automated systems require tags for exit scanning. This contradicts her entire defense. The officer correctly noted Amazon Go stores need entry cards. Her claim that some don't is factually wrong and legally irrelevant. Even if uncertain, she had a duty to verify before taking $1,130 in property. She asked no one, checked no signage.
All right, we're gonna walk out to my car.
Stop by the checkpoint having that.
That's exactly what I'm
I
gonna
was
do.
gonna say, yeah.
I got checkpoint 2 West. At
We got you
4.
covered.
Got it.
So whoever.
Don't worry about it.
Thank
It's
you.
taken care of.
Just to check one more time.
I'm sorry, it's too far past.
It's too far? Okay. I have them already paid for those bags, I promise.
Yes, ma'am. Well, I wish you would have paid for them to begin with,
I
but
thought I did.
and it's
I
just an
promise.
unfortunate situation
I
that.
thought I did.
Yeah.
I
Airport
totally
306.
thought I did.
Thank you. Yeah.
I mean, I'm always at the airport. I know exactly how things work. I swear to God. It doesn't matter. Yes, it's too far like this. I could have hide. I mean, I could have done so many things if I was really trying.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to understand that, right? Like I could just do something like
Well,
hide.
what you did was commit theft. So
I swear to God, I thought it was like a check in and
I
out.
hear what you're saying, but it would have been good to verify with somebody
I
that
should
that
have.
was
I
the
should have.
case.
I should have.
And by not doing that, this is the
I know.
situation that you're
No,
in
I
now.
understand.
So-
I understand. And when she let me go to the bathroom, I could have just not come back.
We're gonna have to go up and around because I'm not gonna try to get her around.
Yeah.
So
You understand? She let me go.
we're gonna
and
walk this way on the
I
sidewalk.
could have just not come back because you weren't even there. I came back because I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm not saying you're guilty of
I
anything.
would have come
What
back.
I am saying is, sometimes if you would have believed that store was one of those stores you could just walk in and walk out,
Yeah.
why would you take the tags off? You don't have to answer that
Because
question.
it was-
No,
I didn't
you
wanna
don't.
walk
No, what
around
I'm saying
with a
is,
tag bag.
those are questions that the people inside the store ask me.
Yeah, I didn't want to walk.
I'm not asking you.
No, like, would you walk around with a bag with the tags on it? I don't.
I'm not asking you that.
Oh,
I'm just telling you
okay.
what they said
Oh,
to
I
me.
understand. No, it's not even. I'm not questioning their. I'm not questioning their thought process. I can see why they think I did it.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I can see. I'm not
Yeah.
even trying to blame them. I mean, they're doing the
Just-
job.
you're fine.
I feel terrible. I feel terrible that he could have lost his job.
Actually, he wanted to help you out. If he had the tags, he would have helped
I
you out.
swear to God,
Yeah.
I feel so bad that he would have lost his job
Yeah,
over this.
he would have.
I give people jobs. I don't.
Yeah.
I don't know why this is happening, but you know what?
I
There's
have an
a
idea why
reason
it's happening. I have an idea why it's happening.
Why?
Because you walked out the store without paying for the bag.
No, I understand that. I did not mean to do that.
Okay.
But I don't know. I don't know why God is doing this to me right now. But I'm just gonna take it. It is
Yeah,
what it is.
it's not the crime of the
I
century.
swear to God, I did not try to walk out with a bag.
Right.
I
It's,
did not. Like I said, I have the money. I can show you my my bank account. It's not like I don't have the money. I do
Well,
have
it's just
it.
unfortunate you couldn't have paid for it when you had the chance.
I swear to God, I thought I did. I swear to God, I thought I did.
You want to have a seat in there?
Officers established probable cause through surveillance footage, witness statements, and physical evidence. The arrest was legally justified. Her spontaneous statements are admissible under Miranda v. Arizona. Officers conducted no interrogation, so no warning was required. Her offer to pay after being caught doesn't negate intent. The crime completed when she passed the point of sale without payment. At $1,130, this is a Class A misdemeanor in Texas, up to 1 year jail and $4,000 fine. Officers received B+. They reviewed evidence thoroughly, maintained professionalism, and protected her rights appropriately. Their only gap: delayed Miranda advisement. Earlier warning demonstrates best practice, though no interrogation occurred. The suspect receives D. While she cooperated, the evidence contradicts any reasonable belief claim. Removed price tags, absence of automated store features, and failure to verify all undermine her defense fatally. Store employees receive B for immediate reporting, evidence preservation, and attempting civil resolution first. Key lessons. Mistake of fact requires objective reasonableness, not just subjective belief. Courts evaluate both. Actions matter more than explanations. Removing tags contradicts any automated checkout claim fundamentally. Uncertainty creates duty to verify. Never assume payment procedures for high-value items. Ask. For law enforcement, spontaneous statements need no Miranda warning, but early advisement protects everyone and shows professionalism. Automated stores have distinctive features: entry authentication, prominent signage, visible technology. Absence signals traditional retail. This case shows how courts distinguish genuine mistakes from convenient post-arrest excuses through objective reasonableness. The removed tags and store characteristics make conviction highly likely without plea negotiation. She was charged with theft. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Law, for more police interaction and courtroom content.